I moved my teapots around, and the canister on the left is by Young and probably made in China. I'm not sure about the teapot on the right, but the middle one is Royal Dalton, and it's definitely not something anybody would drink out of. It's only approved for decoration, and it is quite decorative. And then I got a metal cup, and I put things in it. I'll move that for a minute, because what I did is I got a napkin and I decoupaged it, but I have all these 4 glasses I can use for flowers or just for looking at blue. And then I have 2 napkin holders. One is, not sure who made that, but the other one is, all of this small stuff is from Young. And then I have the 3-quart Mackenzie-Childs tea kettle, which I have never used because it doesn't have a whistle. And if I could get a whistle to fit like the Alessi whistle, one that just goes inside, I would use this tea kettle, but not without a whistle, because I've had too many ruin. And I got this ball crystal blue ball at Stone Mountain. There is a glass blower there. Behind, Linda Clark gave me this teapot. She said she liked fat ones, and I think I gave her a fat one, I'm not sure. And then there's the judge. That was given to me by Somewhere in Time after a book signing in 2004. And then this ginger jar below is huge. It has all of my cookie cutters and lids that I'm not using. And then of course there's Mr. Snowman getting ready for Christmas. And I don't have a lot of pretty things underneath. I've got to vacuum underneath. But that's it. I just changed a few things out just to make it a little interesting. I've got these cups right here. One has got the blue checkerboard, and the other one is, oh, I can't remember her name, Mims or something like that. But there's so many people who do checkerboard. It's not just Mackenzie-Childs. And all of the checkerboard out there goes really well with Mackenzie-Childs. Unless you're a purist and you want to spend more money, and not, I mean, if I had gone with Mackenzie-Childs for all these canisters, they would have cost $500 or more. Instead, it cost $10. So, and I'm happy with the checkerboard. I'm not into Mackenzie-Childs because it's prestigious or it costs more money. I'm into it because I like checkerboard. That's why I like Sturbridge Yankee. That's why I liked so many designers out there and catalogs that sold checkerboard.